Hey guys, DAHBOO77. Quick update on the earthquakes. Off the coast of California, we have a 5.1, 4.8, 4.7, and a 4.7. These are at different depths, different locations. There were at least 2 or more at this point. No tsunamis were let off by this, but where they took place is in a very ominous place here. Do you see the pattern laid out here on the floor of the ocean? Yeah, I think it's pretty crazy if you ask me. You have perfect design out here in the ocean. And, you know, before you even open your mouth, I know what some of you shills are going to say. You're going to be like, oh, it's the imagery from the satellite and the way that it's displayed on there. And whatever, you know, I don't care about your garbage. I'm telling you, I've searched Google Earth and this whole planet. And on Google Earth and the global incident map here, there's the same design out in the ocean. And most of it, if you zoom in, is blurred out. See all this? It's all blurred out.
Okay guys, this is a video response regards to DAHBOO77 and his 5.1 earthquake, and he's basically telling you that there's structures off the ocean right in here. So I decided to go down inside the ocean and take a look at that on Google Earth. Now, I'm going to agree with him. There are structures down there. Of course, there are mounds. There's mounds, there's mountains and cliffs and everything all over the ocean, just like what you'd see up here on land. But there are certain structures that I have seen personally myself all over the ocean where it just simply looks man-made. And when it's close to the shoreline here, chances are it probably is man-made. Chances are during the big flood, these guys got all covered up, you know, and with time, thousands of years, you're going to lose sight of those structures. But with satellite imagery, you could probably see those hard lines, in which case DAHBOO is showing you this. So I decided to go under the ocean and Google Earth and take a look.